kilos of fish for one capsule. So if you like to have to eat maybe 6 kilos of fish a day, or you can take this.
One capsule.
Yeah, or the capsule. The first product, actually, the best seller of Forever Living products is not the Arctic Sea nor the vitamin C. The best seller that we have is the aloe vera gel. You can stop that first. The find is the aloe barbadensis miller. Okay. You are from which country? India or Pakistan?
I'm from India. He's from Pakistan.
Okay. In India and Pakistan, we also have a lot of aloe vera. Okay. In Philippines, we also have aloe vera. But there are more than 200 types of aloe vera and 2 families, the lily and the cactus family. Okay. Now, out of these 200 types, there are only 2 or 3 that you can eat. The product that we have is the aloe barbadensis miller, originally from Barbados. Okay? And this is the most potent of all aloe vera. It has more than 200 nutritional compounds. Now, what does it do? There are several properties of aloe vera. The first one is it has saponin, you know, like soap.
Soap.
Yeah. It has the property to cleanse, to clean very well. But our aloe vera, the aloe barbadensis miller, is intended for drinking. Okay? Now, half of the profit of the company is coming from this yellow bottle alone. I will explain as we go further. This aloe vera is very good for cleansing. Secondly, this aloe vera has the property to penetrate deep into the body, up to the bones. Okay? It also has anthracinones. Simply means hypoallergenic, anti-inflammatory. Okay? So, for example, I will use this to represent the stomach. Okay? Normally, when we eat the food, it goes to the stomach. Stomach first. Yeah. May picture ka, pahiram, yung digestive system. It goes to the stomach first. From the stomach, it goes to the small intestine.
Large intestine to small intestine,
Yeah.
then to organs.
The small intestine, then it goes to the big colon. Then it goes out of the body. Now, what is important is that when it goes to the small intestine, because that is where the nutrients is absorbed. Yeah? But once it's absorbed there, ayan, pahiram po ng folder.
Yes,
Here, then it goes to the small intestine. The small intestine is more than 20 feet long. If you stretch it out, it's half of a basketball court. Imagine all of us have that small intestine. Then it goes to the big intestine. But before it goes to the big intestine, if you look inside the small intestine, it looks like this. Okay? If you enlarge this towel-like structures, it will look like this. This is the villi. This is where the nutrients in the food is absorbed. Yeah? But then, what happens is, as time goes on, if you eat, then what is absorbed, the excess should go to the big colon. Yeah? This is the big colon. Now, I will ask you, how often do you eat in one day? How many times?
3 times actually.
3 times.
3 times, 4 times.
2 times.
No,
In the
3
reception means
2 times, huh?
Yes, 2 and 3 times.
2
That
or
is
3
4
times.
times. Nobody is eating 4 times.
3 times normal meals is 3 times. In the middle something like snacks
You
or
take
something.
snacks?
One is the breakfast, no, that is nut is coming inside the...
So you have breakfast. After that, sometimes you eat something, no? Maybe
Yes,
small
breakfast,
biscuit or something.
everyone is taking very little, not very...
Oh, okay.
Yes.
But
Light.
how often do you go to the toilet to poo
Once.
in one day?
Once.
Me going 2 to 3 times.
Very
One day?
good.
Yeah, in one day.
Very good. How about
What are
you?
you eating?
Once.
Once. Once.
Only morning times.
3 times. Okay, why I'm asking? Because you know, What happens is, if you observe the baby, once the baby eats, after 20 to 30 minutes it will clean.
Yeah.
Because the digestive system is clean.
Clean.
But what happens is, you notice some people who are thin, but they have big tummies.
Yes.
Why? Because
Yes.
what they eat is stuck here. It's not actually fat. It's waste is stuck up in the stomach, in the big colon. And it's not going out. So, there are only three. What happens is, if this food gets stuck up and we get older, we learn to eat food with preservatives. We learn to eat food with, like, we're in a hurry here, right? Always going to work.
Yes, yes.
So we learn to eat food with too much fat.
Fat. Fast.
Fast food, KFC, McDonald's,
Yes.
Pizza Hut. What happens is, that villi, the one I showed you, this will start to accumulate all these toxins.
Yes. The fats.
The fats, the toxins.
The toxins.
Because these are the food that you eat, but it's not coming out.
Yeah.
Clean this.
Okay.
Okay? The first one is by an operation called enema or labatiba in Tagalog. Enema, yeah. They put a tube on your ass and they try to suck.
Clean
Clean it. To
It's
suck
soap
the
water.
dirt. Yeah.
It's soap water.
Yeah.
Hindi daw po ng konti pa, hinihintay pa daw kasi.
Yeah? To clean it. Now, normally, in the Philippines now, if you are going to give birth, they will do the cleaning.
Yes.
Because they'll just put something there and clean it up and suck it out. The second process is by fasting.
Yes.
Okay? You will not eat anything. Unlike the fasting here. When you're fasting in Ramadan, you can eat night time. But the one for cleaning the stomach is you cannot eat anything at all. Okay? The third one is through the aloe vera gel. Okay, how? I will use this to represent a clean stomach. Now, if this is a clean stomach, I will use the betadine again to represent the toxins. Okay?
Okay.
So, if this, once you start eating food with preservatives, okay, then KFC, McDonald's, Pizza Hut, ice cream, pizza, French fries, everything. Biryani with too much oil sometimes, yeah?
Yeah.
Parata,
Adobo.
yeah. Adobo. What else? All the
Gali.
food that we eat.
Ugali.
Yeah. So what happens is the stomach it becomes like this. Okay? So I told you, you can do fasting. You can do enema. And by the way, the enema is advisable every 6 months.
Every 6 months.
My gosh. I haven't tried it even once. I don't want to.
Still not.
And so, but if you drink aloe vera gel, okay, this is the representation of what happens in the stomach. If you drink once in the morning, okay, and another time in the evening.
Twice a day.
Twice a day. For a normal person, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Just a second. Need to drink more. Is this fresh?
So every day if you drink it will be clear. Slowly, not once.
If you see, it's from down below going up. Because that's how aloe vera works. Okay? If you see the pulp, that will help to remove the toxins inside the stomach. Okay? That's how aloe vera works. So aloe vera is very good for those people who are wanting to do diet.
Diet.
Yeah. And it has a lot of nutrients because it has 20 minerals, okay, 18 amino acids, and 12 vitamins. So you know the aloe vera gel is sour, but you can drink it on empty stomach. It's advisable actually on empty stomach in the morning. Because once you drink the aloe vera gel, it will help to line up in the stomach to protect it from the free radicals. Now, we have a lot of... Yep.
I'll do separate demo.
Okay, some pictures of what the product can do. If you have some friends who would like to grow their hair, okay, natural hair, huh?
Okay.
So from here to here to here to here to here. If you notice before his bald. Then after,
This is taken by the, when he takes the liquid, it is
we
body.
have some products, combination of products, including this one.
No, for taking the body or for some applying to the...
We have for external and internal. Okay? We have some products also. I will show you the picture of a friend. A very good friend of mine. This is a lady. She's staying in Charlotte.
Okay.
So you know, if you're a lady, it's really disaster if you don't have hair. I mean, for men it's okay because you can have, you know, bald head. But for lady with bald head, my goodness. See, this is the lady. She's a friend of ours, Maribel. Okay? We also have some products like weight loss. Our main example is Jeff. He lost 14 kg already. At first, he lost 6 kg in 9 days. Because we have a program, you can lose minimum 2 kg in 9 days. So if you have friends and people who are desperate to lose weight, we have a program for them. Okay? Then we also have a program for people with acne. These are, you know, testimonials based on their experiences. This lady, she was told by the doctor that she needs 6 months minimum. Plus she needs to pay 700 dirhams a month. Now she's working as a waitress. She's receiving only 800 dirhams. So she cannot afford to go to the doctor. When she tried our product, she spent more than 200 only around 2 months. And we also have something for removing the scar. We also have products which can help for skin allergies. This is burns. She got 3rd-degree burn. So we have products also which are very good for burns. Then we also have for, you know, psoriasis, skin allergies.
Skin allergy.
Yeah. So this one is for lupus. But the most common one that I find here in UAE is psoriasis. Okay? Now, as I said, we're not doctors.